Hey people, this is that dehumidifier that I couldn't pull the box yesterday. That's your drain hoses. What'd you do with your instruction manual? Well, you're gonna open it up and set it up and all of that good stuff. See if it works, that kind of thing. Should work, it's brand new. Oh, wait, you just threw that right down on that thing and it's sticky. Goodness. It's $559.99 on Amazon. If I was to have bought it instead of getting it through that mystery box company that I only paid $54 for a month. Those are pretty cool to have, those little 4 thingies there. There's the other one in the floor down there. The other piece. You can build with those. And that too. Let's turn it around to the top of it. There's the top of it. Upside down, of course. Yeah, you might as well take it off. I got it for free. We might as well use it, right? And it's supposed to be for a big, large room, so it'd be perfect in the living room, since the living room is huge, right? Why don't you get your instructions with it? Yeah, there's more hose right here. More hosing.
I think one goes out the window.
Probably does. Well, they show it set up in the middle of a room. They don't show it going out a window. Because you got your drain hose, you got the water pump, all of that stuff. Open up your manual and look at it. The water tank's down here. You open this up somehow and fill it up, or get the water out of it. That's his breathing machine where it can breathe. Pump, swing, fan speed, timer, mode, power, living area, basement, or continuous. Tells you when the bucket's full, the drain tube's connected, pump mode, clean filter. All those things will come on when it needs, whatever it needs done to it. Now this one came out in 2023. But, still $559.99, and didn't cost me a thing but the subscription to the Daily Box Club of $64 a month. That's the biggest thing I've got, that and that pet carrier, which was $50. Is it on wheels so it can be pushed around or no? Well, why does it show it set up in a house that don't have a hole going out of the... Basically, that's if it's in a basement. It can go out a basement hole, basically. You can drain it into a bucket. It's not a very big capacity thing there, you know.
It also has a hookup where you can hook it up to it.
Hook it up to what?
It has a water tank hook up to the water pump.
It's a home dehumidifier. Please read the manual carefully before using the product. Here's your manual for it. That's your new birthday present early. Or your Father's Day present early. I got you a dehumidifier for your house. I got you the dehumidifier for your house. Okay.